his grandmother. This is being prohibited in Islam.
It's supposed to be only one Muslim country. The Christian religion, there is no Christian religion.
The true followers of the Christ, they are Muslim. So first part of the khutbah, it's our obligation to da'wah. And the second part of the khutbah, how to make da'wah. How to perform da'wah to the non-Muslims. The first thing your da'wah is your character. If you have a bad character to a non-Muslim, the non-Muslim hates you. He will never listen from you anything. Even if you tell everything truth, he will reject you because this non-Muslim is very angry with you. Anything you are a terrorist, you are a bad person, you are so and so and so and so. His image is dirty about you. The first thing for the dawah is your character to the non-Muslims. You are a good person, you are a clean person, you are honest, you are truthful, you are honored your words. You don't cheat people, you don't lie to people, and you don't break your promise. You don't make shouting, you don't make the bad words, you don't angry. You show your character. Prophet Muhammad, when he became the Prophet, 40 years. But before 40 years, what way he did? He did the best character in Makkah. So people, they know him with the two names. Siddiq Al-Amin. The most truthful person, and Al-Amin, the trustworthy person. People, they don't believe in him as a prophet, but they still keep their valuables to him. Even the night when they wanted to kill him, they did not worry about their wealth, about their valuables with him. They know it's safe because this person is 100% trustworthy. He will not run away. He will give his hour. Even they wanted to kill him, but they still trust he's a trustworthy. So Prophet Muhammad, when he left from Makkah, at the night, he left his cousin Ali in the house. He said, you come tomorrow after you give all the valuables to the people of Makkah. These people, they wanted to kill him. But he wanted to return their money, their wealth, their gold, their silver, their valuables. And he left his cousin, Ali, to return all the valuables. That is the character. That's the character. And we Muslims should have to have this character. At least a minimum. Then you can talk nice words. One of the greatest commandments of Allah, وَقُولُوا لِلنَّاسِ حُسْنًا, and speak to the people the best words. And then show charitability, generosity. When Prophet came from Makkah to Medina, he did not tell Sahaba to make dawah. He said two things. Make salam, peace be with you, kapayapaan, and then invite people for the eating. Relation. You want to make dawah to your people who are close to you, non-Muslim? Make salam to them. Salamu alaikum. What's the meaning salam? Peace be with you. So you then know Islam is for peace, kapayapaan. And then call them for dinner, lunch, coffee, tea, anything, snacks, even just water. So their heart is open. And then tell them that what is our message is La ilaha illallah. The message of all the prophets. That there is no God worthy to be worshipped except Allah. Our life is to follow His commandments and we live and die for Him. For Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And they will ask you, who is Allah? Then say, Kul huwallahu ahad, Allahu samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad, wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Say He is Allah only one. Allah the eternal absolute, who does not need anything and who does not need anyone. Lam yalid wa lam yulad, He begets not, nor was He begotten, that He has no son and He has no father. He has no origin, He has no beginning, and He is not going to multiply. He is still one forever. Wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad, and there is no one is comparable unto Him. He is not like the sky, or not like earth, or not like the human, or not like the air, or not like the water. No comparison. Walang katulad. So Allah is only one, but all the gods people worship, they are not one. The Jesus is not one, Ram is not one, the Buddha is not one. They are all human beings. Look alike. Allah is as-samad, wala siya may kailangan. He is only one, nag-iisa siya, at wala siya may kailangan. He doesn't need anything. He doesn't need to rest, He doesn't need to tired, He doesn't need food, He doesn't need limitations, He doesn't need space, He doesn't need the time. He's free from space and time. He doesn't need all of us. He can destroy all of us. If all of us will pray and worship to Him, His honor will not increase because His unlimited honor. And all of us become disbeliever, His honor will not decrease because His honor is unlimited honor. He doesn't need anyone. Lam yalid wa lam yulad, hindi siya nakanak at hindi siya pinanganak. He begets not, nor was He begotten, that He has no son, no children, and He is not son of anyone. He has no beginning and he has no end, and he is not going to multiply and he is not going to divide. He is only one. Walam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad, at wala siyang anuman katulad. He is not like sky, hindi siya parang langit, hindi siya parang lupa, hindi siya parang hangin. You cannot compare him. All the universe, which is 93 billion light years of diameter, and 146 billion light years is the circumference. And that universe is still limited. Allah is unlimited. All the universe in front of Allah is smaller than atom. So that's how you can make da'wah.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and comment.